Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this highlight text effect on CapCut PC. Now, you need to go ahead and add a text, so this would be a default text. You drag it onto the video and through the whole video. Now we need to change the text color, so I'm just going to add this color here. And also let's change the default text. Now here you want to go ahead and add underscores. So let's add like 2 of those, and now let's drag it onto the text which we need to go ahead and highlight. For example, I want to highlight this whole sentence. So all I'm gonna do is go ahead and make this bigger. And maybe let's go ahead to transform and scale and make it bigger here. It's just so it would be perfect, just like so. You can also go ahead and choose a blend option and lower the opacity so you would see where it is. So you would see the text. Now I'm just going to go ahead and make it to 100 again. Once you have done this, you can also go ahead and change with the position X and Y if you need to. And now you want to go ahead to animation and find the wipe right option, add it, change the speed to like 2 seconds and a little bit, so the speed would fit your needs. Or maybe we can make it even more. Now, after you've done that, you want to go ahead, click on that text clip, right click it, create compound clip, just like so. And now you want to go ahead on the video, choose blend option mode, multiply, and here you have it now. Now, once you play the clip, as you can see, the video is highlighting the text. If this video was helpful, please subscribe to this channel, leave a like on this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.